The Y.D.F USB audio interface mixer delivers clean, detailed recordings with 24-bit 96 kHz conversion that is more than good enough for home studios and serious podcasting. Its built-in microphone preamplifier provides plenty of gain with low noise, so dynamic microphones and condenser microphones both sound clear and full when properly set up. The interface offers a straightforward 2-input by 2-output layout that handles microphones and instruments at the same time, making it practical for singer-songwriters, small duos, or simple podcast setups. Because it draws power directly from a computer through a universal serial bus Type-C connection and has a compact, solid housing, it is easy to throw in a bag for mobile recording. It works smoothly with common recording programs on both Windows and Mac computers, so most users can plug it in and start tracking without wrestling with special drivers. Touch controls and clearly labeled knobs make it simple for beginners to dial in levels and monitoring quickly, while still offering enough control for more experienced recordists.